What's up guys, it is Sarah at Real Life Unboxing. The wife is taking over today. I just had a product that I've actually had for a long time that is super useful. It's been a game changer for me. Where I have kids and I don't really have a whole lot of time to do my nails all the time, this has made things so much easier. So this is a gel nail polish kit by Gellen. Now, a little disclaimer here. Obviously, yours will not be as dirty as mine when you get it. My son actually got into my makeup, and as you can see, the box is stained up, and you know, it's been through it. But that's okay because it still serves its purpose. Yeah, there's makeup absolutely everywhere on this thing, but either way, this is what it looks like out of the box. There's some pastel colors, there's a few that have shimmer to them, and it also comes with your top coat and your base coat as well. I'll also be going over this SUNUV UV LED lamp that I got to go with it. I thought both of these were a really good deal, especially to get started. It's a good little kit. Both were really affordable, so definitely like it. And we're going to be doing just a quick demo because I haven't painted my nails in a while and it's about time to. So here are all of the colors. And let's see how many we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 colors. And then it comes with the top coat and base coat as well. Like I said before, it just makes everything so much quicker. And once it's done drying, you don't have to worry about a super long dry time or anything like that. It's pretty convenient. So I think I'm just gonna go with this pink color. Why not? Let's run it. It does say that it requires drying under a UV LED lamp, so you do actually need the lamp. It will not dry if you do not cure it correctly. So that's why I decided to do both of these in the same video today, but we're gonna go ahead and do a quick demo. Not gonna take forever, so got the base coat right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, and it says that the time is usually 30 to 60 seconds if you have a LED or UV light. And I'm just going to quickly do a demo for you guys. I feel like the product also goes a long way with the gel. Really like it. So now that we got that coat on, I'm just going to pull the lamp over, and as you can see, when you put your hand in, it will automatically come on, and then you can press this button right here, and it has the 30 seconds and 60 seconds. So I'm just going to go ahead and set it to 60 seconds. And we'll go ahead and let that dry. Alright, so a minute already went by, looking pretty good, and then we're going to go ahead and do the base coat on the other hand now. And that hand is done. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the lamp for another 60 seconds. Alright, and now the base coat is done on that hand as well. And we're going to go ahead and go with the color. Like I said, we're going to do this darker pink kind of color. And I am doing this pretty quickly, so I'm just going to go back and kind of clean up the edges here in just a second. My son is taking a nap, so we got to utilize our time wisely. But I did want to show you guys this because it has been a game changer. It has saved so much time, and I actually feel like I have time to do my nails. So, like I said, we're just going to clean up the messes that we make as we go. It's not a huge deal. Alright, so we got that on there, and we're going to stick it in the dryer for 60 seconds. And then we'll move on to our next hand. what it looks like. It's super glossy looking. I really like that. You can also get different, like if you want like a matte top, you can also get a matte gel polish to go over it. It looks pretty nice. I dig it. Don't mind my little pregnant, swollen little sausage fingers either. It's just kind of what we're working with now, but there we go. And then we're going to go ahead and do the color on the other hand. Alright, so 60 seconds is up, and super quick. This hand could probably use another coat, but I'm just going to run with it, honestly. It's not that big of a deal, and I usually don't use the top coat either. I don't really think that it needs it, but it does help it keep from chipping, even though gel nail polish is really good about not chipping. It lasts longer than normal nail polish. You don't have to keep reapplying it or anything like that, but we'll just do it for the sake of the video. It's already pretty quick, like I said, so why not just go ahead and do it this time. And where's the top coat? I'm just going to go ahead and do an extra 30 seconds just to make sure that it is good and dry and cured well. I will say that also, like experimenting with different brands of gel polish, you kind of have to mess with the cure times a little bit, and you're completely done. And like I said, you don't have to worry about bumping them. You can touch them. They're completely dry. You can go do dishes. You can go change diapers. You can do whatever you need to do. And that's it. I mean, you really can't beat it. It's been a game changer for me, especially because I have a 1.5-year-old, and then I'm about to have a newborn here in a few months. So time can be scarce, especially just to do, you know, a little bit of self-care. So definitely recommend it. I'm going to get another view here of the nails because this is just not flattering for my little sausage fingers whatsoever. Done. They're super glossy. Super cute. And here's the other hand. Left hand isn't always as pretty as the other, but you did pretty good this time. And if you found any value in this video whatsoever, make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. As always, keep it real, guys.